soon. So we're going to start off with the Melt palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade 2012, and I'm going to take that into my crease with a nice fluffy brush. And I'm just going to basically take my time, y'all. I love this shade. I love how it's going to basically make everything just transition. And we are definitely going for sunset vibes. So now I'm going to go in with the warmer color, and I'm going to go slightly under the shade 2012 and just starting to add more of that warmth to like my crease. And like I said, taking your time, blending everything out back and forth like so. And don't be afraid to build, guys. Start off with a little bit and build. So we're going to go in with the shade Dream Big now, and I'm going to take that in the outer corner, and that's going to start to give me more of like that warm, smoky illusion. And I'm just going to take my time, blending back and forth, looking at the eye, just seeing if I like the level of intensity. Now we're going to do the shade Boss Lady, and we're going to really get ready to deepen everything up. So like I said, taking the shade Boss Lady, we are going to just blend everything out and add that smoky effect. Keep in mind, y'all, this definitely takes some time. You definitely have to blend to get that type of transition that you want, but it's always worth it, all the blending and the patience. Now I took a little bit of a dark black matte eyeshadow, and I just went really at the very bottom, and I'm just going to intensify that just to really give it that smoky edge that I'm looking for. And I'm just going to pack it on and keep blending until I get the desired amount of pigment I'm looking for. So I definitely want a sunset, but I still want it like that smoky type of look. And then I'm just taking another brush and just blending everything together and making sure everything looks nice and diffused. Now we're going to take the shade Go Getter, and we're going to go in with Poppin' Bottles, and we're just going to kind of create like almost as if we were cutting our crease, but we're not. I was out of focus for some of this, so I'm sorry you guys can't see all of it, but I did do Go Getter in the middle, and now I'm putting Poppin' Bottle in the inner corner. And this is just a flat synthetic brush, and I believe I just wet it with like a little bit of setting spray. But that's completely optional. These melt eyeshadows, I'm going to tell y'all guys, it's so pigmented. It's such a dream. If you haven't tried these products, definitely you need to at least try the eyeshadow. And now I'm just going to go back in with the shade 2012 and just kind of blend it all out. Give us that nice smooth transition. Add a little bit of that yellow bag. And I went ahead and put false lashes, and I did a wing liner at the top and almost like that feline wing. Now I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl pencil, and I'm just going to align my waterline with some black liner and give it that really just smoky, super sexy vibe to your eye. Now if you want to keep this more on the colorful side, I would say definitely you could probably add like a red or an orange liner in the waterline. I wish I would have kind of did that too, but this is like so my vibe. And then now we're just going to take that same color, and we're just going to go underneath our bottom lash line and just smoke it out. So we want to kind of do the same thing we did at the top, at the bottom. And I just have a little pencil brush, and I'm going to just smoke it on out. How fierce are these lashes, by the way? They are so freaking nice. And now I'm also going to take Boss Lady in the outer corner and give it that smoky effect like so. And now we're going to do our bottom mascara, and honey, you are ready to go. Bottom mascara, spray your face, and this is the whole vibe.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause